Becoming a full-stack web developer is a rewarding goal that involves mastering both the front-end and back-end aspects of web development. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you achieve that. 1. Understand the basics. Start with the fundamental concepts of web development. Learn HTML, hypertext markup language, for structuring content on the web, CSS, cascading style sheets, for styling your content, and JavaScript for adding interactivity. 2. Front-end development. HTML. Master the structure of web pages using semantic tags. CSS. Deep dive into styles, layouts, flexbox, grid, and responsive design to ensure your web pages look good on all devices. JavaScript. Learn the basics of scripting, DOM manipulation, and ES6+ features. Practice by building static websites and simple interactive applications. 3. Version control. Learn to use Git and GitHub for version control. Understand how to manage repositories, branches, and pull requests. This is crucial for collaborating with other developers. 4. Front-end frameworks/libraries. Learn a JavaScript library like React.js for building interactive UIs. Alternatively, explore Angular or Vue.js. Understand the concept of reusable components and state management. Build small projects to get hands-on experience. 5. Backend development. Choose a programming language for the backend such as Node.js, JavaScript, Python, Django, Flask, Ruby, Rails, or PHP. Learn about server, databases, and APIs. For example, if you choose Node.js, you might work with Express.js. Understand RESTful APIs and how to interact with front-end applications. 6. Databases. Learn about databases, both relational, SQL, and non-relational, NoSQL. Start with a database like PostgreSQL or MongoDB. Understand how to design schemas and perform CRUD operations. 7. Server and deployment. Understand the basics of servers and web hosting. Learn to deploy your applications on platforms like Heroku, AWS, or Netlify. Familiarize yourself with containerization tools like Docker for consistent development environments. 8. Practice and build projects. Apply everything you've learned by building real-world projects. Start with small projects and gradually work towards more complex applications. 9. Stay updated. Web development is an ever-evolving field. Follow industry blogs, join communities, and participate in hackathons to stay current with the trends and technologies. 10. Soft skills and collaboration. Improve your problem-solving skills, learn to work in teams, and understand agile methodologies. Effective communication, project management, and collaboration tools like Slack and Trello are also essential.